Hello everyone. So here we are going to discuss about JEE Main 2019 mathematics paper which was conducted on 10th January morning shift. Let's consider the first question of it. A matrix given to us. Now the question says if the minimum value of determinant A is 8, we have to find a value of D. So let's begin with this question. Here we can write determinant A equals. Now, when you look at the entries in different rows, you can see -2, 1, 5, 4 plus d, sin theta plus 2, 2 sin theta minus d, then sin theta minus 2, minus sin theta plus 2 plus 2d. This is clear? Now, if I plan to change row like add R1 into R3, what will happen? It will become 3, d will be cancelled, it will become 2 sin theta plus 4. Moving ahead, 2 will be cancelled, sin theta will be cancelled, and we will be left with 2d. So let's plan this kind of operation like first row as it is -2, 4 plus d and sin theta minus 2. Second row as it is, that is 1, sin theta plus 2, then d. Now third row, as I said, R3 plus R1, we get 3, then 2 sin theta plus 4, this is clear because d is cancelled, plus sin theta and 2 both cancelled, so it is simply the last element is 2d, right. Moving ahead, when you see here, you can say sin theta plus 2, 2 times sin theta plus 2, d 2d. So operation here in the previous one we said R3 replaced with R3 plus R1, correct. Now what is the next operation required? It is simply R3 replaced with R3 minus 2R2. On applying this operation, what change we observe in this determinant A? Let's check out. First row as it is -2, 4 plus d, sin theta minus 2, 1, sin theta plus 2 and d, and what's the last row? Last row simply changes to 1, 0, 0. Now this entire thing is equal to 8 as given in the question. This is clear. Now expand along third row to get the value for d here. On expanding, we can see 1 multiplied with 4d plus d square first term minus sin square theta minus 4 is equal to 8 as its minimum value. This is clear. Now when you have the minimum value of it as 8, so let's see what actually we are getting here. This is d plus 2 whole square minus sin square theta minimum is equal to 8. This value will be minimum when sin square theta is maximum, that is 1. So we get here d plus 2 whole square is equal to 9, or d plus 2 is equal to plus minus 3, d is 1 or minus 5. Now look at the given options. 1 or minus 5, do we have such an option? Yes, it is available here as option number 1. I am sure this question is clear. Let's move on to the second question. If a circle C passing through the point 4, 0 touches the circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y equals 12 externally at the point 1, minus 1, then the radius of the required circle C is. So question is saying there is one circle. Say for example, we have a circle like this and we have another circle, say for example like this. Now these two circles are touching each other externally, so we can draw a line at the point of contact in this fashion. It is given that the point of contact is 1, minus 1. So first what we need? Equation of tangent for the given circle at 1, minus 1. So let's start this question. Tangent at 1, minus 1. So let's find the equation of tangent for the given circle. This is simply given by x minus y plus 2 times x plus 1 minus 3 times y minus 1 is equal to 12 from this circle. This is clear. Simplify, you see x plus 2x, that is 3x, right. Then minus y minus 3y, that is minus 4y, plus 2 plus 3, that is 5, minus 12, that is minus 7 is equal to 0. So, this is the required equation of tangent, meaning this line. Fine. Now, therefore, required circle is, that is C is, we can write the equation of C as x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square plus lambda times 3x minus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. Which circle it is? In fact, we have written a point circle at 1 comma minus 1 and the tangent, so that we get the family of circles. Now, this circle passes through, 4 comma 0. So, let us pass this circle through 4 comma 0 in order to get the value of lambda. When you put here 4 comma 0, you find 9 plus 1 plus lambda times 12 minus 7 is equal to 0. This is clear. Therefore, lambda is equal to minus 2, right. Put the value of lambda back as minus 2, x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square minus 2 into 3x minus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. So, this is the required circle. Now, what is the radius of this circle? Radius is given by root g square plus f square minus c. So, we need to expand this circle as x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square plus 2y plus 1 minus 6x plus 8y plus 14 is equal to 0. So, radius is equal to square root of, let us check out, minus 2x minus 6x, that is minus 8x divided by 2. So, minus 4, here we can write 16 plus, next coefficient of y, it is 2 plus 8, that is 10. So, here we have 25 minus, next constant term 1 plus 1 2 plus 14, that is 16. So, the radius comes out to be 5 units. Let us see from the given options, is it available? Yes, option number 1 is the correct answer. I am sure this is clear to you. Let us move on to the third question of this paper. If summation I from 1 to 20, 20 ci minus 1 upon 20 ci plus 20 ci minus 1 whole cube is equal to k by 21. We have to find the value of k. A simple question from binomial. Let us begin with this question. We can write 20 ci minus 1 upon 20 ci plus 20 ci minus 1 is equal to this term, denominator part can be changed by the simple property. So, it is 20 ci minus 1 upon 21 ci. This is clear. Expand to simplify, that is 20 factorial I minus 1 factorial and 21 minus I factorial. This is from the numerator part, and denominator gives you 21 factorial divided by I factorial and 21 minus I factorial. So, here we can see the terms cancelled with each other, that is 21 minus I is cancelled in numerator and denominator, correct. Now, moving ahead, this is equal to I upon 21. Now, the question is looking for, let us consider this term as lambda. So, question is talking about lambda cube and with a summation. So, let us write down this term. Therefore, 20 ci minus 1 divided by 20 ci plus 20 ci minus 1 whole cube and summation on it from I equals 1 to 20, right. So, let us sum this thing till 20 is equal to summation I by 21 whole cube. I is from 1 to 20. So, we have 20 into 21 upon 2 whole square into 1 by 21 cube. Just see this result, you are getting 21 square cancelled, 4 cancelled. The question is changing to 100 by 21. Now, question says this is equal to k by 21. So, what's the value of k? Yes, it is equal to 100. So, let's mark it as the correct answer, option number 2. I am sure this question is clear. Let's move on to the fourth question of this paper.